గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. నేను మీ టిఎస్ఆర్ నాయుడు, జేఎల్ఎం జువాలజీ, ఏపీటీడబ్ల్యూఎస్సిఓఈ మళ్ళీ శ్రీకాకుళం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్. నిన్న మనం లోకోమోషన్ రీప్రొడక్షన్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాం. దాంట్లో లోకోమోషన్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాం. టుడే we discuss about the reproduction in protozoans. Reproduction in protozoans, there is two types. One is the asexual reproduction, second one is the sexual reproductions in protozoans. About asexual reproduction in protozoans, the asexual reproduction in protozoa is performed by the formation of equal or unequal sizes of two daughter cells. During asexual reproduction, protozoa follow different methods such as one binary fission, multiple fission, and budding. These are like three types. Now we discuss about the binary fissions. Generally, fissions are two types, binary and multiple. If two daughter cells are produced, then this process is called binary fission. If more than two daughter cells are produced, then the method is termed as a multiple fissions. These are two types of fissions. First one binary fission, second one multiple fission. And next one binary fission. This mode of the reproduction is mainly found in amoeba. During the binary fission, the pseudopodia is withdrawn and then the nucleus started to divide. After the completion of nuclear division, the cells started to elongated and construction in the center to form two daughter cells in the binary fission. Binary fission has two types. One is the transverse fission, second one is the longitudinal fission. Another one also is there, I think obligata fission also. Another one fission also is there, but transverse binary fission found in amoeba and paramecium, longitudinal binary fission found in euglena and verticilla. We can observe in the picture in euglena different stages of binary fission, longitudinal binary fission also observed, and continuously the paramecium also observed in the diagram the stages of transverse binary fission in paramecium. Please carefully observe. And another one is the multiple fission. The second one multiple fission. In this method, a single mother parental single mother cells divides to form many daughter cells, filials అని అంటాం మనం. Before the division, multiple nucleus are formed within a mother cells, which then claves rapidly to form corresponding number of daughter cells. Please observe the how it can form in the diagram. Multiple fission, parental cell, this one is the second one. Many nucleus contains in the cyst, breakdown of the cyst. And types of multiple fissions. Different types of multiple fissions found in the protozoans such as gamogamy, schizogamy, sporogamy. About gamogamy, found in monocytes in this method product a gamete. Schizogamy, gamogamy occurs in the asexual stages, resulting individual known as the gametomerozoites. And next one, second part is the reproduction, sexual reproduction. Let us discuss sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, when the two parents participate in the reproductive process and also involve fusion of male and female gametes, it is called sexual reproduction. Two gametes, male and female gametes, are participate in sexual reproduction. Can you understand? When the two participants in the reproductive process also involve fusion male and female gametes is called sexual reproduction. Generally, sexual reproduction in protozoans, there is two types. One is the syngamy and the second one is the conjugation. About syngamy has three types. One is the isogamy, second one is the anisogamy, and the third one is the hologamy. Syngamy, it is the fusion of the two gametes. Fusion of similarly gametes is called isogamy. Example, monocytes. Fusion of the dissimilar is called dissimilar gametes are participating is called anisogamy, and plasmodium. Hologamy, it is fusion of the two matured organisms. Example, trichonympha. Matured organisms అంటే gametes లా ఉంటాయి కానీ but not gametes. And next one is the conjugation. In conjugation, Witzmann defined conjugation as a temporary union of between the two senile ciliates for two different mating types for exchange of nuclear material and reorganization. Unfavorable conditions also induce the conjugation, which are the lost due to the chromosomal imbalance in their macronuclei caused by the replaced amitotic decision. Generally, this type of reproduction in shows such as a paramecium and vorticella. Thank you everyone. We will meet again in another video. Please subscribe me to support.